Good morning students. Welcome to online class. Today I am going to explain example 4. Yesterday completed example 3. What is the given example 4 means? Sum of two numbers is 29 and one number exceeds another by 5. Find the numbers. This is the sum is given. Sum of two numbers is 29. We don't know the two numbers. But one condition is given. One number exceeds another by 5. For example, first number is 5 and second number is 10. For example, first number is 6, second number is more than 5, means 11. 6 plus 5, 11. So one number is 6, another number is 11. 11 plus 6, 17. Not there. So 29 you came, that two numbers adding. So which numbers are the two numbers? Okay, that is the sum is given. Solution. See that one? Sum of two numbers is 29. We don't know the two numbers. For example, let the smallest number be x. First number we don't know, so that number is x. Then second number or largest number, bigger number. Then bigger number be bigger number equals to one number is exceeds another by 5. So bigger number is x plus 5. Exceeds 5 means more than 5 from the smallest number. So plus 5 you add the smallest number, you will give the big number. Okay. So two numbers came. But according to sum of two numbers equals to how much given? 29. According to our sum. But what we will take the first number is x and second number is x plus 5. So adding these two numbers, x plus 5 is equals to 29. Okay. How many x's is there? 2x plus 5 equals to 29. Plus 5 transfer into that side. 2x equals to 29 minus 5 is equals to how much? 24. 29 minus 5 equals to 24. X equals to 24. 2 is transferred to that side by 2. 2 1 times, 2 2 times. Therefore x equals to 12. What is the x? X means small number. Smallest number. X equals to 12. Bigger number. X plus 5. X equals to 12 plus 5 equals to 17. It is more than 5 or not? X is 5. So 12 plus 5, 17. Add these two numbers. 12 plus 17, 29. That is your checking. This is the example 4. Exercise 2.2. First one. Find x in the following figures. Here in the sum, 5 sums is given, so 5 figures is given. In the 5 figures, find the value of x. What is the first one? First figure is like given like that. A, B, ABCD. Here the angle is 123 is given. This angle is x degrees and this angle is 56 degrees given. Find the value of x. Finding. Okay, here two internal angles in the triangle. These two angles A and B are internal angles, and 123 is the exterior angles, external, but out of the triangle. That is called exterior angle. What is the relation between these two angles and this angle? In triangle ABC, exterior angle ACD is equals to sum of interior opposite angles. This is the relation between interior angles and exterior angles. Exterior angle equals to sum of interior opposite angles. These two are opposite angles. This is adjacent angles. Okay, so this angle is not adding. Exterior angle equals to sum of interior opposite angles. Okay, these two are called opposite interior angles. So exterior angle 120 degrees is equals to interior opposite angles sum of x plus 56 degrees. Plus 56 transfer to this side, minus 56. 123 degrees minus 56 degrees is equals to x. Therefore x equals to 123 minus 56. How much? 67 degrees. Okay, and the second diagram. Triangle PQR triangle is given. PQR. The angle of P is 45 degrees. The angle of Q is 3x plus 16 degrees. And the angle of R equals to 68 degrees. Find the value of x. Okay, this is the triangle. In triangle PQR, sum of three angles. Sum of angles is equal to how much? 180 degrees. So here three angles. What are they? One is 45 degrees plus one is 3x plus 16 degrees plus one is 68 degrees. These three angles are adding gives 180 degrees. 45 plus 16, 61. 61 plus 68, 61 plus 68, 129. 3x plus 129 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. 3x equals to 180 degrees minus 129 degrees. Okay, 3x equals to 180 minus 129, 51 degree. X equals to 51 by 3. How many times? 17 times. Therefore x equals to 17 degrees. This is the second diagram. Third one. Same. ABC. A equals to 25 degrees. C equals to 30 degrees. Find B, x degrees. Same. It is also one triangle. So, in triangle ABC, sum of angles equals to 180 degrees. Here, what are the three angles? The first angle is 25 degrees, second angle is x degrees, and third angle is 30 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. 25 plus 30, x degrees plus 55 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, x equals to 180 degrees minus 55 degrees. Therefore, x equals to 180 minus 55, 125 degrees. That is the finding the x in that given figure. The next one is fourth one. Fourth one given like that: x, y, z, and these two sides are equal is given. Here one angle is given. Here 2x plus 7 degrees and this angle is 45 degrees. So here these two sides are equal is given. So this is which type of triangle? Triangle XYZ is an isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, the sides opposite angles are equal. Which are equal sides? Then opposite angles are also equal. The angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So, angle Y is equals to angle Z. Since opposite to equal sides, XY equals to XZ. Okay, angle Y 2x plus 7, angle Z 45 degrees. 2x equals to 45 degrees minus 7 degrees is equals to how much? 38 degrees. X equals to 38 by 2, 19. Therefore, x equals to 19 degrees. This is the fourth sum. Now, what is the fifth one? The diagram is given like that. This is A, B, O, C and D. Here this angle is 3x plus 10 degrees. This and these two are equal. This one and this one equal. This is 2x degrees given. Okay. Okay, look at the board here. 2x degrees is given here given and 3x plus 10 degrees is given. Okay. In triangle AOB, AB equals to AO. AB equals to AO. So, angle B is equals to angle A. This is. Okay. So this is angle B equals to 3x degrees, 3x plus 10 degrees. Okay. Sum of angles is equals to 180 degrees. So angle A plus angle B plus angle O equals to 180 degrees in upper triangle. Okay. So angle A 3x plus 10 degrees, angle B 3x plus 10 degrees, angle O we don't know, equals to 180 degrees. 3x plus 3x 6x, 10 plus 10 20 degrees plus angle O equals to 180 degrees. Angle O equals to 180 degrees. These two are transferred to that side. Minus 20 minus 6x. Angle O equals to 180 minus 120. So 20. 160 minus 6x. This is 160 minus 6x. So it is also 160 minus 6x because vertically opposite angles. Okay. Here this is the opposite of this angle is 160 minus 6x and this also 160 minus 6x. In triangle COD, angle O equals to 160 minus 6x since vertically opposite angles. So here CD equals to CO, that implies angle O equals to angle D is equals to 160 minus 6x. Here also sum of the angles. Sum of the angles is equals to 180 degrees. So first angle is 160 minus 6x plus 160 minus 6x plus 2x is equals to 180 degrees. 160 plus 160 320 minus 6x minus 6x minus 12x minus 12x plus 2x minus 10x is equals to 180 degrees. Plus 180 transfer to this side. 320 minus 180 is equals to minus 10x transfer to that side. Plus 10x. 320 minus 180. How much? 140 is equals to 10x. 10x equals to 140. X equals to 140 by 10. 0, 0 cancelled. Therefore, x equals to 14 degrees. This is the fifth sum. These are 5 sums is given in first Roman. Okay. Thank you, students. Tomorrow we will discuss about second Roman also. Okay. Thank you.